Hello friends, Pat and Heidi here from Rain Country, and we thought we'd just kind of show you one of our very favorite stores, even though we've only had a chance to be in here maybe 2 other times before.
Yeah.
And it's called the Coastal Store, and it's a kind of like a Tractor Supply, but it's something that's more common on our end, and we're starting to see them spread across the Oregon and Washington, and we really like them. They have everything. So we had to come into town, and mostly we came to get some feed, and as you can see, we only got a couple things on our cart, even though I came in to get feed, because one of the cool things I like about this store is that all you have to do is grab the cards of the feed that you need and then take it up there and tell them what you want, and then they'll take it out to your rig for you. So this place has everything, and if you don't have a store like this, I feel sorry for you, because this is a great place. We did actually stop by a Tractor Supply the other day when we were coming through town the other way. It was the first time ever going into a Tractor Supply, and frankly, at least with that one, I wasn't impressed. This store has way more stuff, and they have the organic feed that I like for our chickens for the best price I've seen anywhere. So that's the number one thing we came in here for, and I might show you a little bit of other little clips around here just so you can be jealous that you might not have a place like this near you. All right, this side of the store has all clothing. It's got cowboy hats, it's got gardening hats, it's got Carhartts. They got some t-shirts here I really like, but I can actually get that same t-shirt. There is one of my favorites. I can get that in our own town at the local store, so I won't buy it here because I try to keep it as local as possible. But yeah, I mean, that's just this side of the store, and then you come over here and look. Yeah, this is Patrick's favorite section. More hats and gloves, and that's right, I wanted to see if I can find some more of the Atlas gloves I like so much in my size, because Amazon's no longer carrying the extra small. Well, what they do have is they have this brand here, and as you can see, these are smalls, and lengthwise they fit good, but look at all that bagginess. This is why I typically need extra smalls. Extra smalls usually fit perfect, but it's so incredibly hard to find any gloves similar to this in an extra small. Now I could go to the kids sizes, but even though I have little hands, I have longish fingers for the size of my hands, and so the glove, the kid size, will fit good around, but then just be a little short in fingers. So if I get any more gloves, this is probably going to be what I have to do. But I like these. They feel good. I just wish they weren't so baggy there in the palm around. Oh, they even have a hearth center. We just did a walkthrough of it. It's few wood stoves in there. Mostly they're gas and pellet. But look at this one. Okay, it might be gas, but it's beautiful. I would have no use for it, but anyway, kind of cool. Okay, Mr. Rain, I better keep tight rein on you, Mr. Rain. Rain on the rain.
Is that why you asked for the credit card?
And of course, we got to have all the cute little these things. Oh, someday I'll have grandbabies, and I can spoil them. So yeah, right over there, that's where they have all the cards for the different types of feeds, and then you just grab the card that you need and take it up to the counter and tell them how many bags, and like I say, they'll take it right out there for you. And we have pet stuff in here, so I've already found a couple little chewies for Cody and his sister. There's bunnies. I gotta find Mr. Rain. Where did he go? Okay, so whoa, look at all this great stuff here. Look at this. Great. What are you doing? Just a quick rundown of the kind of stuff this place has and why we like it so much. Look over here. Look at the selection, people. You see what I mean? I told you this store has everything.
Everything you need.
And look at there. To our valued military members, we proudly offer you 10% off your entire purchase. And Patrick has his card with him, so how cool is that? There's boots. These boots. Look at all these boots. Awesome. Those teal ones are sure pretty. So are these. Whoa. That's a, yeah, this is a nice price. $100 for those? Those would be massive on my little feet, but
I'm sure they got little feet models.
these are cute too. These are closer to my size. Adorable. And then there's these kind. There's the Georgia boots over here. Aw, these ones are studded. How cute. These are the ones I actually wear out in my garden. I got a pair at a garage sale, kid size, for a few dollars. Look like they've never been worn. So I love these things. This is the girly section. Oh, and look at those. Look at how adorable. Yeah, lots of cute boots over here. Actually, if I was ever going to get some more, I'm thinking more something shorter like this with this kind of sole. I think it'd be a little more practical.
You got 20% off.
It would look cute and be more practical. Well, these ones actually fit really good. I don't quite understand the sizing on them. These are just sitting there. So who knows? I might be able to find some that fit me. They're pretty cute. Okay, well they got 20% off on the boots. I found a pair in a size 5 that fits me perfect. They're a nice low profile kind of boot. And they're leather. 20% off.
You
Yeah.
might be able to get another 10% off. For,
Are you spoiling me? Cause why?
I got a new lawnmower.
Oh,
A new tractor.
true. Okay, so we're leaving the coastal store a little poorer than we were, but we got some good stuff. Got some boots, got some layer feed, and some other doodads that we needed for the various things. And great store. Just really, really like it. So right now they're back there loading up the feed in the back of the truck, and yeah, got our organic, non-GMO, soy-free chicken feed, and we're gonna be heading on over to the Costco next. So I know this is probably a very different kind of video than you usually see from us, because we don't typically get out, especially 75 miles away to a place like this. So we had to come into town. We had some business to take care of. That will be some interesting news, exciting news in a future video. So be watching for that. And yeah, so I hope you didn't mind our little outing today. It's a little, like I say, a little different than what you might see, but I thought some of you may enjoy seeing the store like this. And I don't know, maybe the Tractor Supply in your area, or you have another store like it that's similar. Go ahead and share below what kind of store you like to go to that might be similar to this, and what is the name of it, because all over the country we all have different types of stores that are available to us. Like I said, the coastal is only available right now, and they only have them in Washington and Oregon, but they're spreading. So we really like it. So hope you liked it too, and thanks for watching. Oh, there's Mr. Rain. We're heading out. Thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.